Hi, it's Larry with Area Wide Waterproofing. Today we're working in a crawl space, in a jump up crawl space, getting there from someone's basement, and we're putting vapor barrier in. It's one of my favorite jobs to do. As soon as we're done, it's going to change everything. Right now, it's a earth crawl space and it's off-gassing odors into the living area, and we're going to block those odors with a vapor barrier. So we're installing 10mm vapor barrier with a fiber in it, so it won't tear if you were to crawl across it, and often these are used for storage. Come on with me, we'll take a look inside. We are in the crawl space today, and you can see my guys are working, and it's an earth crawl space. And it's not wet right now, but if you were to look around, you can see that there's a bunch of cracks in the foundation that we're leaking that we've already repaired. And then now we're doing our encapsulation. So we're installing this 10mm vapor barrier. It gets attached to the wall mechanically so it can't be pulled down. So when you climb in and out of here, which could happen, this could be a good storage spot, that this won't come off the wall. And then we're going to go ahead and seam these side pieces to the plastic that covers the entire floor. And again, it's fiber with rubber. The rubber won't break down and won't let any vapors through it. And then the fiber adds to the strength. So if you come in and out to work on some mechanicals, or perhaps use this for a storage area, you're not going to tear the vapor barrier. Larry with Area Wide Waterproofing, keeping crawl spaces dry.